Hello guys, this is Zagros. In this video I wanna explain about Solana or Sol. Please start now subscribing and clicking the bell. You don't miss anything. What is proof of history? As you may know, Bitcoin uses a consensus mechanism called proof of work, which uses miners to validate transaction and produce new BTC. Many newer cryptocurrencies like Cardano uses consensus mechanism called proof of stake, in which network participants stake their own crypto to get a chance to validate transaction and earn newly minted crypto and fees. In either case, all the computers in the network need to come to consensus on certain facts, including when a transaction took place. Solana uses a combination of proof of stake and new mechanism called proof of history. Proof of history is designed to keep time between computers on a decentralized network without all the computers having to communicate about it and come to an agreement. How it works. In the Bitcoin network, for instance, miners perform the critical rule of timestamping transactions, which are then bundled into blocks, which are confirmed by the entire network of computers every 10 minutes. In the proof of history white paper, Technologies creator notes that some argue that Bitcoin's proof of work algorithm's most essential feature is functioning as a decentralized clock for the system. In a centralized system, this clock doesn't exist because the computers can all trust that timestamps are accurate. Proof of history, on the other hand, is similar to the way that Reddit AMA participants often take a photo with today's issue of the newspaper. As the technology's creator puts it, proof of history creates a historical record that proves that an event has occurred at a specific moment in time. How does staking work with Solana? The computers that secure the network are called validators. Participants stake their own Sol to become a validator in exchange for a chance at earning new Sol and cutoff fees. Sol also serves as a governance token, meaning that holders also are able to vote on future upgrades and governance proposals that are submitted by the Solana community. What kinds of applications run on Solana? Like Ethereum, Solana is a computing platform that can interact with smart contracts. Smart contracts power a wide range of applications, from NFT markets and DeFi to games and decentralized lotteries. Many of the most popular Solana applications are DEX and lending apps. The crypto app ecosystem on Solana supports billions of dollars worth of assets. One reason a user might choose an app that runs on Solana over, say, Ethereum is that speeds are high and congestion is low, resulting in very low fees. The Solana blockchain can also support stablecoin and wrapped assets. As of August 2021, over 700 million worth of USD coin has been issued on Solana. Thanks for watching.